Okay, so when we left the problem before, we've just gotten rid of the denominator, right? We had delta t here being divided by delta t. That's the denominator, and I don't like denominators in problems. I find it hard to solve for what I'm looking for. So right now I'm going to rewrite the problem, right? We stopped at delta t times v equals delta x times delta t over delta t, which is the same thing as saying delta x times 1, right? Delta t over delta t is 1. So I'm going to rewrite the problem. Delta t times v equals delta x. This is all 1, so I'm going to cancels out. Okay, so I still need to solve for delta t. And right now I have delta t times v, so I need to undo multiplying by v on this side. So I need to divide both sides by v. So you get delta t times v divided by v, and delta x divided by v. Go ahead and get rid of these parentheses since I don't need them anymore. Okay, so delta t times v divided by v equals delta x divided by v. So the same thing is going to happen here with v divided by v, right? Just like delta t divided by delta t, right? Delta t divided by delta t is equal to 1. So the same thing is true. V divided by v equals 1. So, right, if I have 4 divided by 4, that's 1. 10 divided by 10, that's 1. V divided by v, that's 1. So now I have delta t equals delta x divided by v. So my unknown was delta t, and my equation is set up in terms of delta t. So I identified my formula, and I have my formula now set up, okay, in terms of my unknown. So just doing this step gets you an B, okay? Just writing the like overall parent formula gets you a 16 out of 20 for identifying the tool. To get the full A, you do need to solve for the unknown. So you do need to transform it into delta t, right, equals everything else. You do need to get delta t isolated or by itself, okay, in order to get the full 20 points for the identifying tools part of the work. All right, good job. You know how to identify the formula. See you next time for doing the math.